Yeah, hello people of Ghana and YouTube. It's N with Lekem here, and then today I'm going to touch on Binance Launchpad for a friend. Actually, I'm doing this video for a friend that I want to explain how the Launchpad actually works, or how to make money with the Launchpad just by holding BNB. How to actually make money with your BNB, and then in turn multiply your BNB or so. It depends how you would want to go about it. But then this tutorial, like I said, is for a friend, but then I'll be uploading it to my YouTube channel. So if you're watching this on my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing if you've not subscribed, and hit the notification bell, and like the video if you like this kind of videos, and leave a comment in the comment section below if there's anything you don't like, or there's anything you want to clarify about this video to me, or me should clarify to you. Thank you. So now let's go into Binance, and that's the Binance app. I'm doing this video on my phone because I mostly use the Binance app on my phone. I mostly do most of my investments on my phone on the Binance app. But then if you download this app to use, you should make sure that all your security has been set, your multi-factor authentication has been set, so that hackers can actually get into your account to steal your money, because this is like your bank account. You are keeping your money and your investments over here, your assets are over here, your digital assets are over here, and it's your money, so you should keep it safe. And all that being said, let's go into the Binance Launchpad, and then I will try to clarify things to my friend and to my viewers on YouTube. So that's the Launchpad, and the Binance Launchpad is just where new tokens are earned. You can buy tokens, but then buying tokens over here, you are going to use your BNB. You have to commit your BNB to buy tokens over here, but then you can earn new tokens just by holding your BNB and then committing or staking your BNB into the pool. So right now, these are some of the ongoing offers on the Launchpad. This is Mines of Dalaria, Mines of Dalania, and that's an action adventure play to end game on Binance Smart Chain, and you can stake your BNB and BUSD to earn DA. I actually staked my BUSD and BNB in this pool to earn some DA when it actually launched. But then later on, the Manchester City Fund token also came up, and then this is launched on the Chiliz chain, not on the Binance Smart Chain. But then Binance is offering the Launchpad the opportunity to also earn these tokens free by just staking your BUSD and then your BNB for a month, for 30 days, for a 30 days period. And then we have gone for almost 4 days now. We have about 26 days, 11 hours and 24 minutes left. So this CT and DA is actually CT and DA is actually, sorry for the notifications that are coming from my WhatsApp. I don't know. Yeah, it's kind of bugging, you know. CT and DA are actually free tokens that you are going to earn when you stake your BNB and BUSD for 30 days. It's free. But then this is the FC Porto Fund token, and this is the most exciting part. You would have to subscribe with your BNB for just a time frame about, I think, about 2-3 hours, and then there's still time left for this subscription to go on. There's still a day and 17 hours 23 minutes left for this subscription to go on. So if you want to grab your BNB, you should grab your BNB now, because when this starts, or when it's left with a few hours for this to start, for them to initiate the calculation period and all that, for them to go on, there you would see that the BNB price is actually going up. So this is the Launchpad the sales section where you have to buy with your BNB, and the price is 1 Porto to 1 USD. And the fun part of this, how to make money with this, is actually simple and straightforward. You will see. This is better. When it's so better, actually sold in BNB, not USD. I'm looking for Lazio or the Barcelona fan token. This is the Barcelona fan token that has actually also finished. And then when it launched for 0.04 BNB, something like that. The dollar equivalent I can't actually say right now, but then what I just want to say is it was for $1, and Lazio was also for $1. When Lazio came out, it was for 1 Lazio to $1, but then within some few moments, just within some few hours, the price just skyrocketed. I think about 13,000 and something, 13,000 plus percent, and it went up. I actually sold my Lazio at $26. That's when I sold my Lazio at $26. So imagine me getting it for $1 and selling at $26, and I sold back into BNB, not actually into dollars that I would use or into USDT. I sold back into BNB to increase my BNB holdings for like future Launchpad, because the Binance Launchpad is one way to create passive income just by having BNB. And then you just don't hold BNB and just keep it there. When you have your BNB, you can put it in the BNB vault. You would also earn new launch pool tokens that are being launched, that are free, not the ones that are being in sale, the ones that are taking in your BNB for lockup for 30 days. You actually earn them free when you have your BNB in the BNB vault. So what I do is I just keep my BNB in the BNB vault, and then when there are projects launching on the Launchpad now, I move my BNB and go and stake it over there. So this is the time to start getting your BNB ready, and the calculation period. I have more than this BNB, but then it takes time for them to calculate. Like there's, if you want to actually know how the calculation is done, you can just click here, and then you see how the calculation is done, and then they are going to see your maximum BNB that you have. And I think at 6 a.m. 16th November 2021, the subscription will start, and the subscription is going to last for 3 hours, and then after 1 hour the tokens are going to be distributed, and after just some few minutes, after an hour or so, the token is going to be listed on the spot trading. And you can, if you are fast, you set your alarm down, you can just go to the spot trading, get your USDT ready or your BUSD ready, and then go to the spot trading platform and then buy some FC Porto for cheap, like for $1 or less than $2 or less, and then you wait till the price go up, and then you can sell it back. Well, this is not a financial advice. I'm in no way a financial advisor. I'm just saying what I do. That is what I do, or that is what I will be doing. I will set an alarm, and then the moment it gets listed on the spot trading, I will also take my USDT and go on to the spot trading and buy some FC Porto fan token for cheap, and then look at the price, and then when the price goes up, when the price surges up, then I will decide that I've made enough profit, then I would sell over there. So that is the way I make my money off the Binance Launchpad. And then when I commit my BNB to, I'm going to get the tokens. I'm going to buy some tokens with the BNB, and it's going to be calculated. I think it's going to be calculated against the number of people that have their BNB in the pool, and you're going to receive it as a percentage of the BNB that you actually put in. But every user can get the maximum of 10,000 USD of the FC Porto, like 10 FC Porto, 10,000 Porto tokens. Yeah. So when you get 10 Porto tokens for $10, and then the price increase up to, let's say, $20. That is let's say now you have $200 from $20 to $200. That means you are making about $180 in profit. And if that is not good, if that is not passive income, if that is not profit, then I don't know what the youth is actually looking for. So like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research, invest at your own risk. Cryptocurrencies are very, 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 very volatile. They kind of go up and come down. It fluctuates a lot. So you should do your own research and then take risks into consideration, because investing in cryptocurrencies are risky. So you can make a lot of money out of it, but then you should take the risk into consideration before doing it. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you how I make money, how I win at the thing. So if you want to follow my steps, fine. That is your own decision to make. Thank you for watching this video, and if you're watching it on my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It actually means the world to me if you leave a comment in the comment section below and share this video so that people can also see it out there and actually know how to make passive income with cryptocurrencies online. Yeah, thank you for watching my video, actually my screen recording. Thank you.